And so the person couldn't go back to their old job, which was kind of labor intensive. And the commission awarded permanent partial disability award. I think it was 18.5% man as a whole on one, and a wage loss differential on the other ones, because the guy was making $75,000 roughly before he quit. He couldn't go back to work, and he got in a work injury, and was making just under $10 an hour, which comes to $20,000 a year. So that's a huge difference, and that's real.
Happens.
It happens a lot. I mean, I can't tell you how many cases I've had where people go from making 50 to 100 range down to $10 an hour, which seems to be what people can make if they don't have education and they've been doing labor all their life. And so this guy got what's pretty typical in the sense that he got a relatively large wage loss differential, and he ended up there was 2 cases, so he ended up with a permanent partial disability award. Same employer, and the employer took the position that you can't get both, you only get one. So and because the neck and the shoulder are both man as a whole awards, that the person can only get man as a whole as opposed to the wage loss differential. And they did that because the permanent partial disability award, in other words, a scheduled award, man as a whole, is worth a lot less than a wage loss differential.
Gotcha.
Where you get 2/3 the difference between what you used to make and what you currently make for life, or your work life, depending on a few factors. But anyway, and the appellate court said no. The employer has 2 cases. One of them can be a wage loss differential, and one can be a permanent partial disability award. I wasn't real surprised by that, but
they were.
I don't think they were. I think they just took the case up hoping they won. If you throw enough spaghetti at the wall, sometimes something sticks. Yeah, that's right. And they had nothing to lose, right?
Sure.
It took them, a few $1,000s in attorney's fees to take it up, and they had a lot more at stake. So they took it up, and who knows, they might not elect the plaintiff either. So anyway, 629-7970 is our phone number. We do have an open line, and we'd love to talk to you here at Let's Talk Law.